if you still don't really know what all of these things have in common, you will have an idea. All right, so what I need you to do is all eyes on the screen, paying attention to the video, because this is going to be a really good example of what it is that we're going to be talking about, okay?
Extreme weather is now a common staple of our daily news. The UK saw its highest temperature ever back in July, while the US...
All right, well, the next person who was right next to... Oh, Xavier, you're here. Xavier, can you tell me, what do you think our project is going to be on? We talked about it last week. You know what it is. Tell me. What do hurricanes, what do storms, what are they called? The first letter begins with an N, the second letter begins with a D. All right, Xavier, can you unmute yourself and pass if you want to pass? All right, I'm seeing a pass on Xavier. All right, I'm gonna switch it off to Dalvin. I'm just gonna call the person who's right next to him. Dalvin, can you unmute yourself and tell me, what is the project gonna be on today? It's been mentioned a few times.
About how deadly dangerous these things are and how people should not go to these things.
Okay, and what is it say right here, that word, these two words in the beginning of the video, right here? Come on, Dalvin. All right, we'll leave Dalvin. Let's see, we had Xavier and Dalvin who tried. I need you guys to think a little bit about this while you guys are waiting. Trinity, can you unmute yourself and tell me, what is the project gonna be on? Uh-oh.
I think the project gonna be about...
On what? Okay, so hurricanes, that's an example of something, but I'm looking for two specific words. I'm gonna ask again, right? Let's make it a little bit more clear. The words have been mentioned a few times already in this video. There are two words, it starts with an N. The next one starts with a D. I see Jabril's hand up. Jabril, can you unmute yourself and tell me, what is...
Can I?
Oh my God, Jabril, thank you so much. Absolutely, it is natural disasters. Dalvin, what was the answer?
Read the answer that's up on the screen right there.
No, I want you to repeat what Jabril just said. What was the answer that Jabril just said?
So when I added, the girl said, she said the corn wasn't sweet.
I'm gonna ask Xavier and see if Xavier knows. Xavier, what did Jabril say that the project is gonna be on today? This is your chance to shine, come on. No? You're gonna do me like that? Okay. All right, so if you guys got it, it was natural disasters, and that is what you're gonna choose your project on today, or talk about your project today. Damn, Xavier, I was hoping for you, buddy. So if you don't wanna share your answer, buddy, then can you at least read the objective for today? Do me a favor, Xavier, I know you're a good reader. Here, I'm asking you to unmute yourself. Go ahead and read the objective of the day, Xavier.
Scientists will explain why and where a particular nature disasters happen by using research and scientific evidence.
Oh my God, you are so eloquent, and yes, that was a perfect reading. Thank you, Xavier. So that is what we're going to do today. We are going to talk and pick a natural disaster that we want to research and that we are going to show scientific evidence of why it happens. All right, so I need another person to unmute themselves. Jason, can you unmute yourself and can you remind us, what is a natural disaster?
A disaster that is caused by nature which destroys life and property.
Absolutely. Thank you, Jason. So like you heard in the video, natural disasters, they can cause huge storms like hurricanes that can kill people and break buildings and things like that, right? So as the earth gets hotter, which is what we talked about in the last section, natural disasters are going to happen and they're going to get stronger. okay? So we want to make sure that we understand why this is happening. All right, so we got a little bit of a preview on what this project is gonna look like at the end. So I want you guys to pay quick attention because we got 3 videos, one from Mr. Bangura, which is fire, one from Ms. V, which is fire, and I want you guys to decide who you like and what kind of presentation you're gonna decide to make for your project. Are you guys ready for this? Can I get a thumbs up before I play these videos? Because I want everybody's attention. Yes, Jabril, thank you for a thumbs up. Dalvin got his thumbs up. Ooh, Drew, I'm waiting for your thumbs up. I want to see that. Liam, where's your thumbs up? Aaron, let me see you. You want to watch this video? Because if I don't get all the thumbs up, I don't think we're going to watch this video. Jarrell, are you going to be the person who doesn't let us watch this video? I'm sure you got that thumbs up. Show me. Come on, Jarrell. Even a little thumbs up. Even a little thumbs up. A little tiny. All right, I saw your thumb. That's good enough. All right, everybody. So what we're going to do is we're going to play these. And this is going to be an example of what you could potentially be doing, okay? So first we're going to watch a little bit of this one.
The question for the project is, why do blizzards happen? The first thing you need is very cold and dry air. The next thing you need to make a blizzard is very warm and moist air. When very cold air moves south and very warm and moist air moves north, they meet at a point called the front.
All right, so this is a little bit of that presentation. This is just showing you one kind of way that you can present it. Now, Mr. Bangura is going to show us a second kind of way that we can present it.
Great reporting live. There is a volcano on the loose, and we are going to figure out just why this volcano is about to erupt. And so now we're going to go into one of my trusted websites, and it's called usgs.org. All right. And so as we're on one of my trusted websites, we're going to learn a little bit more about volcanoes and why they erupt. Okay, and so just go ahead and follow along with me. So deep within the earth, all right, there becomes hot. The earth becomes so hot, and it's a hot flowing substance.
Mr. Bangura with the weather reports, killing the game. So you can be a weather reporter if you want. You can show on a little bit of your drawing, so what exactly is going on. Jason, I need you to mute yourself, por favor. Thank you. And this last one is another one that I think you guys might be into. So pay close attention because Ms. V is rapping. I know that's kind of wild, but it's true. All right, ready? I'm going to fast forward. In the beginning of the video, I just explained where I get my sources and why, like what we're going to talk about. So I'm just going to fast forward to the rapping part.
On Weather Vazquez project, and I'm and on Weather Vazquez music. So I'm not the best rapper, but I thought it would be fun. So today I wrote a rap about blizzards, and we're ready to go. If you see me looking over there, it's because I have my lyrics. Okay, ready? My name is Ms. V, and I am a G that loves science specifically. I want to show my students that learning is fun. They'll know all about blizzards by the time I'm done. The first thing you need for a blizzard to start is some hot and cold air that don't want to be apart. The cold air moves south and the hot air moves north. They tackle at the front line like football is their sport. Front lines can be either 1 or 2, hot or cold. It's up to you. A cold front pushes hot air out of the way. A warm front says cold best not stay.
All right. I can't give you all the video because it's too lit. Maybe later we'll show you the rest. But I want this level of creativity from all of you. You can make a picture, you can make a rap, you can be a newscaster like Ms. Bangura. You can do whatever you want to do. You just need to show some information. So can I get a that's lit in the chat, por favor? I got Neo with she's spitting bars. Thank you, Neo. Thank you. I appreciate it. All right, everybody. So I want to see you guys either spit bars or show your creativity in whatever way, a dance, a skit, or whatever. We'll talk about that in a little bit, okay? But I need everybody to pay attention to what we're going to be doing today. All eyes on the screen, because in order to get to that project, you need to be able to do these first 3 steps today. All right? The first thing we're going to do, I'm going to have Jason, since you like to unmute yourself. Can you unmute yourself, por favor? And can you read? Por favor means please in Spanish. Can you please read the first right here? What are we doing?
Choose your natural disaster from Weather Kids Wikipedia page. Wait, no, I said from Weather with Kids page.
Thank you, Jason. It was super good. Thank you for fixing what you said. Really, really good. Good. All right, let's see. Zorian, can you unmute yourself and can you read that second option or second to do on the list right here? Go ahead, Zorian. All right, I think maybe Zorian is either frozen or something's going on. So can I get a hand? Who wants to read the second to do right here? Can I get a hand? Can I get a hand? I'm waiting. Keontae, is that a hand? Not Keontae. All right, we're gonna get Jalen. Can you unmute yourself, please? And can you please read?
Research the science behind how and where the disaster occurs and answer your own research question.
Thank you, Jalen. Perfect. That was perfectly read. And then can we get a number 3? Can we get somebody else? Drew, can you unmute yourself and can you read number 3 for me, please?
Me?
Yep, right under research the science behind how. The next one, share your topic. What does that say?
Share your topic, answer the question, and your website searches common sources on Google Classroom.
Super good. Thank you, Drew. All right, so first step, we're going to go on Weather Whiz Kids and choose our natural disaster. Second step, we're going to research the science on Weather Whiz Kids on how our natural disasters happen. Then we're going to go to another website and figure out where our natural disasters happen. And then the last thing is we're going to share our topic on Google Classroom. So we're going to go through those steps again. Dustin, can you unmute yourself? What's the first thing we're doing? Dustin, what is the first thing we're doing today for our project? It's on the screen right here. All right, Dustin, I'm coming to you for number 2, so please be prepared. Trinity, can you unmute yourself? Can you tell me the first thing that we're going to do today?
Organize your presentation.
Not that second part. We're in the wrong section. Go to the left with that first option right here next to day 1.
Oh, choose your natural. Wait.
Yep.
It's both. Choose your natural.
Wow. Option right there. What does it say? You were right, Trinity. Keep reading.
Choose your natural disaster from the weather.
Whiz Kids.
Oh, the Weather with Kids page.
Very good, Trinity. Thank you so much. And give me 2 seconds, and I'm gonna come to you in a second to ask you a question. Neo, can you unmute yourself and can you read? What's the second thing we're gonna do? So first, we're gonna go on the Weather with Kids page. The second thing is, what are we gonna do, Neo?
I can't see it. It's like super small.
We mentioned it a few times. So you go on the Weather Whiz Kids page, you choose your natural disaster, and then what do?
You read about it.
You read about it, and what are you gonna be specifically showing?
How it happens.
How it happens. Good. Not only how it happens, but where, right?
Huh?
Not only how it happens, but also where it happens, right?
Oh, yeah.
Good. And what's the website you're gonna use to find out how it happens, Neo?
Wait.
Weather Whiz Kids.
Oh, yeah. I'm already on that.
Good. So the first one is Weather Whiz Kids, and the second one is a website of your own that needs to be trusted, okay? I know that Ms. V is going over this a lot, but it's just because I want to make sure we know what we're doing, okay? All right, so this is the question. Ms. V, all right, I get it. We're going to do this research project. How do I get an A+? How do we get an A+? on this project, right? All right, can I get